Every day, there are important decisions to be made to keep your business moving forward. Make it stronger, last longer, protect it, scale it. These choices not only affect your company and brand, but also your customers. We understand that because we are already connected to many everyday things you wouldn't expect. Microtrace develops unparalleled solutions for complex security challenges to keep the integrity of products reliable worldwide. We're working to ensure your customers and brand are protected from counterfeiting, product diversion, dilution, and unauthorized production. So no matter where you are or how complicated your problem is, we can be there with versatile and accurate solutions that work to protect your reputation and the people that count on you. Because we understand that good decisions don't only start in the boardroom, they begin where it matters most.